Hello guys, let's continue with our 5th video. In this video we are going to modularize the program, the ibd.c program. Then we are going to create functions for the validation of our code. Obviously we are going to make shorter our program, and at the final we are going, like as always, compile and run using the terminal. Okay, it's really important go in our Kate editor. Here we're going to use the bdi.c program, and as you see, this code is not too long, but we can make shorter. How? We can use functions, and this is really to understand because the function make the code more readable. So let's start with checking something that we can dispose. So here we can put one integer, this, in one function, and also the validation could be in another function. So let's start with this part of the first function. The first function will be called, in my case it's going to be one integer, and the name of our first function is read int. That is the name, which is going to be inside is one constant. Yes, this is a constant, and inside of the constant there going to be a char value. Let's make one pointer with our message. I'll explain you later what is this message about. Let's put our brackets, and this function will return one end and semicolon. First we need to put the variable int n, because we place the return the n, and int result. This is the another variable, and then the program, which is printf, and the message. In the printf we are going to write this percent string, because we are talking about a char. So in this string is going to be the pointer message and semicolon. After that we are going to save this in result, and this result is going to be one scanf, where we are going to save 1% decimal, and we are calling the n variable with the ampersand n. So we close it, and this is our first function. And the first function is going to work right here. I don't know if you can see it. Yes. So let's check it out. The next function. The next function is going to put, I'm sorry, I forget something. Let me check it out. If not, scanf, I think. Yes, something missing. Let's put one if condition, because here we put something like if it's not 1, our error message, in order to find to exit with the program. So if the result is different by 1, by 1. So we are going to print f, and the message will be you must enter a number. You must enter a number, then 1 space and the error exit. The error exit, we are going to put the value 1. The value 1. And yes, I think that's enough for this first the first construction of this function. Let's make another function, and in that case, for this function, we can erase without of any problem this part. We don't need anymore, so I control and delete. And now for this is let's write another function that is not going to give us nothing with void. It's not return anything, just make the function. So the name of this function is going to check and let's put bound, because it's going to be the next values or the next validation. In this validation, the first parameter is the int value, and let's put another int minimum. Let's put another value int maximum, and another value one constant and we're going to call our attention to one charge. Also, we're going to put one pointer name, and inside of this, let's talk about which is going to be something inside. The first is our if value is minor than the main. If this is the case, the first that we need to print out, print f, and then the message is too small. Do you remember? So we can put a semicolon and then exit with the 2. This is our first part. The second part is if the another case, if value is greater than the max, what happened then? Well, in that case, is print f, and the parenthesis is say is too much. This is the message. Too big an example, just to clarify. And then also the exit number semicolon, exit number 2, and this is going to be our function. So that means we can erase this part because we don't need it. We already have that information. So in other words, oh damn it, yes, there is no problem. In other words, it's no necessary to use this stuff because now is readable, and here to here is the rest of our programs. Now we're going to clarify these programs to check what is going on. With the hey is going to be equals to our first function, which is read int, and one message. So please enter your eighth in centimeters. Your eighth in centimeters. Then we are calling the another function with the check int bound, and we are going to put inside the height, comma, the minimum height, comma, the maximum height, and with the pointer, which is height. Excellent. So semicolon, and this is the first part. In the second part, remember, put the weight. Weight, we are going to use the next, the first function that we create upstairs. So please enter your weight in kilograms. The weight in kilograms, and then the check it bounds with the weight, then the max, sorry, it's the mean weight, then the max weight, and then the message in weight in the string, in the pointer string. So let's check the age, which is the last one. This is going to be enclosed in the first function, read in, and this the message. Enter your age. Enter your age, and then check it bounds, and let's set the first parameter, age, then minimum age, then the maximum age, and then our string, which is age. Over age. So I think that's it. Let's go to our terminal. I don't want this. Okay, so I'm sorry, because it's going to show the another program. I hope this is going to be a little bit more faster than this. Okay, terminal. Let's compile. I'm sorry, because I don't know what's going on here. Okay, we don't want to close, we just want to use this program. Terminal. Let's wait and wait and wait and wait. Okay, so I think I'm going to use a moment to explore what's going on, and let's see you in the next video. Okay.